On my way back to CapCut, let me show you a quick and easy effect. It's a typical movie ending in classic movies. We just got our footage here. We want to add it to the end, obviously. So we go to Effects, Video Effects, and under Opening and Ending, you should find an effect called The End. Download it, then click on the plus sign. Position it to the end of your clip right here, and then simply play it. As you can see, it's selected in the timeline, and we don't have a chance to adjust it. So there are no adjustments inbuilt, and even if you turn it into a compound clip and try to mess with the speed, for example, it won't work. So this is really just a one-click option that you add to your footage, and then you have to take what it gives you. But I think it's an interesting effect. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.